Hey, what's up guys? This is Hydra Destroyer, and today we have an unboxing from Newegg.com. Alright guys, so this is the Corsair 450 Obsidian series case for my new gaming PC that I'm going to be building and recording all my videos on. So, let's get right into this. Alright. So I'm just cutting open the box, and as you can see, this is different from what this is going to be different from what my other unboxing is going to be like, just because this is so huge. And yeah, so this is going to be one of many unboxings for my PC, which I'm building to make videos and on the computer and game. So I'm just going to turn this on its side and just take it out. There you go. Oh, it's quite big. Alright, so let's just grab this out. Okay, so take off this foam. Here's the case. Oh, it's very lightweight because there's nothing in it yet, but yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it this. Open this guy up. Alright, so here's the manual. There's the manual. And yeah. So I got it from Newegg. And wow, it looks so good. Now this is gonna be one of many unboxings for all the parts, because they're all coming at different times. They all came from different warehouses. So we have some thumb screws. Here are the sides. Here's a USB, two USB ports, there's a headphone jack. Yep. Alright, so let's just take off this bit. Put the camera down a little bit. Yep. Let's just take off this thing. Oh, that felt good. I'm so excited for this. Oh, this looks good. Here are the two USB things. And as you can see, it has a glass case right here so you can see what's inside. Over here is just the back. And this came out. I just unhooked this thing on the back. So, the vent. So yeah, and I'm just going to take off the glass covering on the inside. So these are just some thumb screws. So just take those off. And yep. Does it just slide it? Oh, yep. Okay, so there's the inside. Looks good. There's the power, ops drive, everything, or the fan. Got everything. There's the motherboard. There's a little cardboard thing in here. So I'm just going to put these thumb screws to the side and take out the cardboard thing. I don't know how I'm going to get it out. Just stick the I'm not sure what's in this. Probably some screws, because they give you screws with this. This is my first PC that I'm building. Oh, there's a hook. How am I gonna get this out? I want to see what's in it. If you can't see here, I'll zoom in. Try and show you guys. What the? Where is it? There it is. Can you see it? Right here, I'm trying to get out this cardboard thing. I think it has screws and stuff in it. Okay, first off, I'll just take off this glass case thing. just, yeah. And the back. Oh, the glass looks really sharp. Just unfocus that. The glass looks really sharp, looks good. Looks good. Oh, it's not glass, it's just plastic. Never mind, sorry. How do I get this thing out? It's like a... Well, you can take off the other side. You know that, so I'll just unscrew these screws. Maybe you can just push it out. That's probably the case, and I'm just too stupid to notice. But I'll just take off these thumb screws in the back. Here we go. Take off this case. Yep, I think it is. No? So maybe slide it out the other way. Oh! Something. Yeah, I don't think it comes out. Here it is. There we go. There. Yeah, definitely some stuff in it. What's this? What is this? One of these things. Right there. Alright, so we finally got into this thing. Not sure what it is. I'll just put it on here and zoom in so you guys can see. Just move it over. Focus. If it focuses. Nope, okay, guess not. So there's just this little thing you can just take off. And in here we have cable ties, screws. There's nothing else in the box. And this packet. I'll just open this up, pour everything out. So let's have a look. We have cable ties for some cable management. We have this screw, these screws, just packets of screws, different sized ones, yep. So that's just for the case and screwing stuff in it. We have a bunch of screws there, probably a load extra, but that was very nice of them to give a bunch, because extra is better. So yeah, that's the case, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I might show video, not gonna do a video on the installation guide or anything. So yeah, guys, that was a video of, this was an unboxing of the Corsair Obsidian Series 450D case for my new gaming PC. I'll be doing a few unboxings of the other parts. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hydro Destroyer out.